In the year 2024, the world of drones has evolved to new heights, offering enthusiasts and professionals alike a plethora of options to choose from. Today, we will explore the top 5 best drones with cameras that are worth considering for purchase. First on our list is the Phantom X Pro, a remarkable drone that boasts an impressive array of features. Equipped with a high-resolution camera, it captures stunning aerial footage with remarkable clarity. Its advanced stabilization system ensures smooth and steady shots, even in challenging conditions. With a flight time of up to 30 minutes and a range of 7 kilometers, the Phantom X Pro is a reliable companion for any aerial adventure. Next up is the SkyVista 500, a drone designed for those seeking a professional-grade experience. This drone is equipped with a powerful camera capable of recording in 8K resolution, delivering breathtaking visuals. Its intelligent flight modes, such as Follow Me and Orbit, allow for creative and dynamic shots. With a flight time of 25 minutes and a range of 5 kilometers, the SkyVista 500 is a versatile tool for photographers and videographers. Moving on, we have the Aerox 360, a compact and portable drone perfect for travelers and adventurers. Despite its small size, this drone packs a punch with its 4K camera, capturing vibrant and detailed footage. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry, while its obstacle avoidance system ensures a safe flight. With a flight time of 20 minutes and a range of 3 kilometers, the Aerox 360 is an excellent choice for capturing memories on the go. Our fourth contender is the Evo Vision Pro, a drone that combines power and versatility. With its 6K camera, it captures stunning visuals with exceptional detail. Its intelligent flight modes, including waypoint navigation and gesture control, offer a seamless and intuitive flying experience. With a flight time of 28 minutes and a range of 6 kilometers, the Evo Vision Pro is a reliable companion for both professionals and hobbyists. Last but not least, we have the Nova X720, a drone that pushes the boundaries of aerial photography. Equipped with a groundbreaking 12K camera, it captures images and videos with unparalleled clarity and sharpness. Its advanced flight control system allows for precise maneuverability, ensuring the perfect shot every time. With a flight time of 35 minutes and a range of 8 kilometers, the Nova X720 is a top-of-the-line drone for those seeking